how to play ranked like a pro. So we end up going to Blooded Frogs in our first kill here. My teammate got pushed. I hit him, cracked him, and I just pushed because I don't have a shotgun. I ended up getting that kill. Right here, his teammate pushed us as we were taking the shoot kick. I cracked him. He cracked me. I killed him. Now, what are these? Exclamation. Yeah, so I crack him here. Take his wall. I end up dying because I have the worst shotgun in the game. He just goes in and kills him. And he revives me. Then, next kill, I'm camping because he's dead. I go to try and revive. And he dies. I get the reboot. Get all of his loot. Shockwave. Hit a tree though. And then I have to reposition. And where in the world do I get this kill? Wait, what? What is this? So I got a kill here. But I land on that kid. Oh, those exclamation marks are when I die. Probably. We get pushed. Or, no, kind of reverse. Well, my teammate kills him. I just get to finish. Over here, the whole lobby decides to push us. I try and shoot that. I get a nice amount. I box up in wood, then I realize that I have to box up in metal. Or brick. I hit him. He starts healing, so I push up. I take his wall out. Or, yeah, there I do. Then he just panics and hit him one hit. Then I just spray him and kill him. Now I'm fighting this kid in the zone. My teammate's dead. I reclaim my wall. He pushes. I crack him. Or the flick condo. Then I get my teammates rebuilt. Get all the good loot. Then just get out of zone. But yeah, full box this kid. I hit him. I don't know how he didn't die there. Then I just like flick onto him. He just runs. I think I do actually. Yeah, I end up killing him. Then my teammate revives. Or tries to. But he does something smart. Throws down my Oni mask. Picks me up. Then gets the res. But yeah, my teammate kills him. And we just get a nice refresh. Yeah, we just get a win because he dies to zone.